And today we welcome the letter M. The sound of the letter M is mm. 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 And the song of the letter N goes like this.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
Now, let's look at some words that begin with a sound. Okay? Monkey. Monkey. Milk. Milk. Moon. Moon. Mouse. Mouse. Mountain. Mountain. Now let's play our game, Spot where the is. Okay, first word is lemon. Mommy. Hammock. Farm. Trumpet. Well done. Now let's write the Blue solid line, red broken line, blue solid line, green broken line. Is a short letter. I'm sure you know where we start. Okay, we start from the red broken line. Well done. So, ready? We go down, up, round like a mountain. Up, round like a mountain. Okay, let's do it again. So, from the red broken line, we go down, round like a mountain, round like a mountain. Well done. One more time. From the red broken line, we go down, up, and round like a mountain, round like a mountain. Your turn to do it. Do it twice. Go. We go down, up, and round like a mountain, round like a mountain. One more time. We go down, up, and round like a mountain, round like a mountain. Very good. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next letter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop me a heart. Bye for now.